Hi, hello everyone, welcome to this channel. This video will show you how to search on Discord. So here I would open my Discord, and then I think if you want to search something on your server on your Discord application, you just click this search button, and then you can search and find what you are looking for. I think that's not issue for you. But what if we want to search specific chats on specific room? For example, I have chat with this person, and then I want to search my on the story of this chat, and then I couldn't find any magnifier icon. But actually it's already there. You can swipe left on this chat. Okay, you swipe left, and then you can find this magnifier or search feature, and then you can search what you are looking for only from that room chat. Okay, that's it. This is very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If you should, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.